Do you still think all hosting providers are the same? Then it's time for a reality check.
What's happening?
If you got a website, a blog, a store, anything, you need to hear this. Falling for hosting myth can hold your website back from day one or stop it from ever getting off the ground.
Excuse my French, but it's a goddamn myth.
But don't worry, we are here to set the record straight.
Oh my god.
This is this hosting video. We're breaking down 4 of the most common hosting myths and giving you real, no fluff advice to help you choose smarter, whether you're a tech pro or a business newbie. And stick around until the end of the video, there's a special bonus waiting for you. So, grab your coffee. Let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. All hosting providers are basically the same.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Because on paper, they kinda do look the same. Hosting sounds like digital storage. Drop your site, shuttle it, done. So people figure it's like just picking between 2 plain boxes. Who cares which one? A box is box, right? But in reality, all hosting providers offer different options. That so-called box can make or break your site. Hosting providers aren't clones, they differ in big ways, like speed, server locations, support that responds before your coffee gets cold, control panels that are actually intuitive, not something that looks like it came free with Windows XP. CMS compatibility, security is the whole package. Picture this. If you're a trader, speed and low latency are everything. So you want servers near your market hub, like Tokyo. Running a small business with big goals, you need global reach, strong uptime, and tech support that actually speaks human. Launching a blog or a content site? Then CMS integration and daily backups might be your top priorities. Ready to choose your dream hosting? Start with your goals and make your own checklist. Make sure your host has servers where you need them, features like CMS and OS compatibility, strong tech support, and room to grow when traffic spikes. Because hosting isn't just where your site lives. It's how fast it loads, how flexible it is, and how many stress-induced stacks you inhale when things go wrong. A smart host isn't just nice to have. It's your website's ride or die. Myth number 2. Free hosting is just as good as paid hosting.
For free?
For free.
Because free is a magical word. It's tempting, especially if you assume that paid hosting will cost you a small fortune. So naturally you think, why pay for something you can get for free, right?
Thinking.
In reality, free hosting comes with trade-offs. Here's what free usually gets you. Limited space, low load times, no real support, and ads you can't remove. Their ads, not your ads, plastered across your site. It's fine if you're just running a hobby blog that your friends and family check once in a while. But if you want your site to look professional, load fast, and actually stay online, free hosting is a trap, not a deal. For example, you can get solid VPS hosting starting at just $5 a month, less than your daily coffee run. And for that $5, you get better speed, real support, full control, and peace of mind when traffic starts to climb. Start small with a paid plan that fits your actual needs. You can always scale as your site grows. You'll thank yourself later when your homepage doesn't buckle the second 5 people show up at once. If your business matters, your hosting should too. Myth number 3. Only tech experts can manage hosting. Let's be honest, early hosting platforms were a mess. Clunky dashboards, mysterious acronyms, and absolutely no guidance. It felt like you needed an IT degree just to log in, and maybe a stress ball to survive the experience. Welcome to 2025. Hosting isn't just for hardcore techies anymore. Modern platforms are built for actual humans, not robots. With clean dashboards, step-by-step setups, and control panels like cPanel or Hestia, managing your site has become surprisingly easy.
They're totally different.
And if you'd rather not touch the settings at all, go with managed hosting. It handles the updates, backups, and all the behind-the-scenes stuff you don't want to deal with. So you can focus on creating content, running your business, or finally filming those TikToks for a brand. For example, Edison Control Panel lets you create email accounts, install WordPress, manage backups, and set up SSL all in one place. No coding, no 2 a.m. Googling. Choose a host with a dashboard that fits your comfort level and support that actually responds. If you're more hands-on, watch a quick tutorial and you'll feel like a pro. Or just hit support and get back to doing something productive. Or scroll memes, no judgment. You don't need to be a tech expert, you just need a host that doesn't treat you like one. Myth number 4. Unlimited hosting means unlimited resources. Because unlimited sounds like no limits, right? It makes it seem like you can use as much as you want, run anything, grow non-stop, and never hit a wall. Spoiler: unlimited is more of a marketing vibe than a real promise. On shared hosting, it usually means that there is no fixed number, but if your site uses too many resources, your host might slow you down, send warnings, or push you to upgrade. It's built for small, low-traffic sites, not for running a global business or launching the next viral app. VPS plans still have limits, sure, but at least you got your own slice of the server. Let's say your site suddenly jumps to 100k visitors a day. First of all, you're doing something right. But on shared hosting, that's a problem. Things slow down, maybe even crash. On VPS, you've got your own resources and the ability to scale up when things take off. And on dedicated server, you're in full control, and no one else can mess with your performance. Unlimited shared plans are fine when you're just starting out, but as you grow, don't wait for a resource, usage violation email to ruin your day. Switch to VPS for speed, control, and real room to grow. Limited doesn't mean infinite, it means until your host notices. And that's all for now. Thanks for sticking around. If this helped clear things up, give it a like, drop a comment, and let us know if you want a part 2. Got any questions? Ask away below. We actually read the comments well, right? And oh, before you go, your reward for sticking around. Use this promo code at checkout to get exclusive discount on your hosting plan. And because smart users deserve smart deals. See you in part 2. And until then, may your website stay fast and your dashboards forever user-friendly. Bye! China! Ding 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 ding.